My love, the day I met you, I felt like God had finally answered my prayers. You make me happy, inspire me, motivate me to step out of my comfort zone. Every day I find new reasons to fall in love with you all over again. On our special day, I promise to honor you, care for you, and dedicate myself to you. I will always support your dreams, as I know you have and will continue to do the same. For as long as we live, there's no one else I'd want to build a life with.
There's a window I have open, I'll never let it close. Through it I'm finding everything I need to know. Something about the rainfall, how it sounds when it calls. It knows so much more than the levy of a song. It's a look inside, a hole in the sky, a way to see the space between the answer and the why. You need a brilliant light, a way to find a window into everything, and waiting for the rise. There's magic in the hour before the day is found. There's something about the mountains, the way I see them now. Something about the light.
The sun smiles on us today, our wedding day, and how can it not? With our hearts beating together as one, you have made me the happiest man in the world today by agreeing to share your life with me.
I know that I can be indecisive at times, but today I stand here before you with all our family and our friends, and most importantly, God. And I make the easiest decision of my life to become your wife. And I choose you today and every day for the rest of our lives because you have my heart and my soul forever. I love you.
May I be the first to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Armando Ortega.
I remember thinking that falling in love with a goofball like you was just crazy, and it wasn't for me. But little by little, the walls of uncertainty came down because you continually showed me your true love.
Sidewalk barefoot down the trail to your house. Voice like thunder call your name, ringing out. Voice for our kingdom where we ran and we began. Telescope onto the land we call ours. Hands untethered by the love that brought our beating hearts into this spinning world, hidden there like undiscovered pearls. We were caught up in the light. stars where we always thought we'd stay, young and so alive. Stay up lost inside of love, we conquer, spill out all the dreams in us. We'd offer to never let this whisper get away, like a treasure